Hi guys, this is Crypto Ray, and if you've been thinking how you can purchase cryptocurrency with your PayPal account, then I found a way that is very easy for you to do that. So all you need to do is just pay attention, watch what I'll do in this video, step by step process on how I'll walk you through on how you can be able to purchase cryptocurrency with your PayPal. Alright guys, so if you're looking at how to purchase crypto with your PayPal account, this is the tutorial for it, and it's going to be very simple and brief. So what you need to do is you need to have an account with this website called paxful.com, right? So on how to register on Paxful, you just need to go to this website paxful.com. Make sure you see this padlock here on the website and make sure it's a HTTPS protocol, blah blah blah. You need to just make sure it's a secure one, and avoid issues, or to avoid phishing and stuff like that. So what you need to do is you just click on register here. You click on register, it will open up, and then you go ahead and register your Paxful account. But the thing is, I already have my own Paxful account, so we're going to use my Paxful account for this tutorial purpose. But if you don't have Paxful already, you need to create an account with Paxful, and then the verification is very simple. You create an account, you use so you need any of the ID cards. You need any of your ID cards to verify this or stuff like that. So after registering, verifying your account, you need to log in your Paxful account. I've already done that, and my Paxful account is registered. So I'm going to go ahead and log in my Paxful account. Right. All right, guys. So once you've verified your account and all that, you just need to log in the account, and here they've sent a code to my phone. This is just like an OTP. So I'll use this code to log in my account. Yeah guys, so once you're logged in, just click on buy. There's buy at the top here, so you just click on buy. Once you click on buy, it will load, and here it says cryptocurrency, right? The next one says Bitcoin. That's if it is Bitcoin you want to purchase. This is what you're gonna do. You click on Bitcoin here. But let's say, for example, okay, yeah, let's just use Bitcoin. For example, I want to purchase Bitcoin. So here it says payment method, right? So on this payment method, I'm gonna click here and select the payment method. So here I will just search for PayPal. So here we go. It's PayPal. Just start it, and that's next is the amount I wish to purchase. Let's say $100, and then offer location. So I'm gonna tag this as worldwide. I'm gonna tag the location as worldwide, and then I'll click on find offer. Right. So here this are the details I entered. Buy Bitcoin with PayPal. Right. So here you see a lot of offers. So I'm gonna scroll. Uh, I'm gonna make sure I look for someone who is a bit legit, or who is legit and have at least some good feedback. Amount of feedback is in here. And then he says he needs verified paper only, online payment. So I'm just gonna scroll down. I'll keep scrolling. I think I'm going to load more. So okay, still going. Still going. So this is a tutorial. So you just have to like look for someone who is a bit legit. Okay. So look at this guy. He says he's trusted. He's verified by Paxful, and he has 294 feedbacks, and he sees friends and family, and then he's buying for, you are paying with Canadian dollars, right? So he says he will release in 10 minutes, and this is it here. So I'm just gonna click on buy here. So once I click on buy, I will go straight and read the terms of the trade, and then make sure that it's also in my favor, so I won't make mistakes, right? So I think this is very easy, and if you're going to do this, it's going to be straightforward. So now this is what it says: I'll pay $100 and I will receive 0.0021, and this is the worth of bit of Canadian dollar I will get, right? So I'm paying 100 Canadian dollar and I'll get this. This is because there are some charges attached to this $100 you're going to purchase, and this is the equivalent of what you would get after purchasing. So let's say about $11 fee for this payment, right? So I'm just gonna scroll down. You see here he has no negative feedback, and all IDs are verified and stuff like that. So next thing I'm going to do is once I click there, I'll click on buy here, right? Review terms. So once you click on buy, there is no long stuff to do again. So you just have to send the payment to his PayPal account, and come back to Paxo and click that you have made payment. And once he receives payment, he's going to release the coin for you. So this is what I'll do. I'll just put, let's say, for 100 as tutorial example. I'll just click buy, and then it will say continue to trade. So you see from here the trading. So from here, the trading interface has opened. So you see, I have I'll be given some minutes. I'll be given 29 minutes to make this payment. If I don't make this payment within 29 minutes, then it's going to clear up. Say, you see what he said? He said, "Hi, bro." He said, "Hello. Do you accept payments from Nigeria?" Right. So now I just asked him to know if he I just asked him to know if he accepts payment from Nigeria. So if he say he does, then definitely I'm going to proceed and ask for his PayPal email, and then he will send the email, and then I'll send money into him to his I'll send the money into his account. So okay, he doesn't really understand this, but let me send your PayPal ID. All right. So once ask for email, so I've asked for email. So I will send as good and services and stuff like. So once I've sent this payment, I'll just come back here and click pay. So once I click this paid, um, I'll wait for some time. Once he receives the payment, then he's gonna pay me, right? So guys, that's it about this tutorial. And if you're not willing to pay to him again or pay for the Bitcoin again, then you're just gonna click on cancel, and that's all. So this is the payment for the tutorial, for the payment and stuff like that. Alright guys, so if you change your mind and you're not willing to cancel like I'm going to do right now, then you're just gonna click cancel here, and then you go back to the home page. So guys, thanks. This is how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. It's very easy and straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it very informative, then you can hit me up, hit the like button, or comment below, or give me a subscription, or hit the subscribe button for me, and I'll really appreciate that. So see you on my next video, right? See you on my next video. Thanks.